Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. So today's day 26 of the Quarantine Gardeners. That's us, if you didn't know that.
It's Saturday morning. We're out here in our greenhouse. It's really warm in here right now. It feels pretty nice. We're doing our greenhouse update and checking in on all our seeds.
So you guys ready to see some new seedlings?
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
So just like last Saturday, you can see all our spinach, all our lettuce greens. They're doing really well.
Wow, they are. They're getting ready to transplant.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
We have already discussed we definitely need to transplant our radishes. They're looking really strong and healthy.
Can you guys, from our last update, do you notice the change in growth, how much more they've grown?
So right here we've got all our carrots. We noticed that we have some carrots also growing with the radishes. So surprise!
Oops,
party.
That's me, everybody. That I couldn't see the small little seeds.
They are pretty small.
They're pretty small.
So and then our Swiss chard is still taking off, doing really well. So that's exciting. So a lot of new stuff in this tray probably since last Saturday. We finally have basil popping up.
Woohoo!
Yay! So you can see cute little seedlings coming up everywhere. We've got lots of dill. We have, what's this, cilantro. So that's new since last week.
Yep, they finally came up.
Hey, I know. And then in the back, we've got oregano. And I don't know if you can see that teeny tiny little seedling popping up right there.
Yeah, we can see that. That's great.
It's tiny.
I hadn't seen that one yet.
There's
all right.
a couple over here too.
Woohoo!
So that's
so awesome. Okay, so now we've got some loofahs over here. You can see they're actually starting to pop up right there. You can see it, it's moving the soil, it's being displaced. That's the seed coming up. Now, they're not all doing that yet, but they're starting. So we're really excited because they haven't done anything yet.
Yeah, super excited about that.
Yeah, and then we've got some snap peas, or sugar snap peas that you see right here, and that's these guys. They're looking really good. They're really growing. Wow.
Ready to transplant.
I think this one has doubled or almost over doubled since we last filmed this. This is cool.
Very cool.
So then we got some sweet peas right there, looking good.
Those are looking awesome.
Yeah. And then some delphiniums. Nothing yet on those, but that's okay.
One right there.
Oh, there's one.
Look at that.
Yay. Got a new one.
We got one.
Woo.
And super exciting. We have tons of blue grandma grass coming up all over.
Yay. All right, cool. We haven't seen any crocosmia yet, but it'll come. It's coming.
And then moving along here, we've got tons of cosmos. And this is all cosmos. Oh, calendula in the back.
Yeah.
Almost forgot. Okay, next we have a lot of exciting things over here. We've got one globe amaranth. That cute little guy right there.
Wow.
So I think that might be new since last week.
I think so too.
And super exciting, we finally have coneflowers coming up.
All right.
So all the way to the back is coneflowers. We have some back here.
Looking good, you guys.
We love coneflowers.
Wow. Okay.
And one right here. So.
All right. Let's get a close-up of that guy. Oh, yeah. Look at that little guy. Neat. All right. So right now, no pole beans, as you can see, nothing yet. But we've got an interloper, a mustard seed made its way into the pole bean area. Again, that was me. These are tiny, tiny seeds, everybody. So they go everywhere. You can't even see where they go. But next up, we got some mustard. And wow, do those look great.
That's so cool.
Those are really jumping out of there.
Super excited.
Looking great there. And then, what do we got?
So we've got our nightshade family tray back here.
Wow.
Nothing yet, but they take a little longer.
Yeah.
So this is really exciting because these were the most recent plantings and they're already popping up. I think we discovered within like 3 days, these seeds had started.
Yeah. They've
popping,
just,
yeah,
that was unexpected.
So we've got the amaranth. Here's another type of amaranth. These really cute little red seedlings here. I don't know if you can see those.
Yep, just barely. Wow.
And then celosia and China aster in the back. I don't believe there's anything yet.
No, not yet.
And
one of our favorite plants here, zinnias. Yay! So I think we got a whole, oh no, there's a little cosmos there.
Cosmos in the front.
Cosmos in the front, which we've got one right there that popped up. That is so cool right there.
A couple others.
Okay, and then one right there. Okay.
And zinnias.
Oh yeah, that's zinnias. Okay, yeah, the zinnias just all the way back. And they started popping up like 3 or 4 days after we planted them. So not too many yet, but those that have popped up are really getting us excited, and so we love zinnias.
We do. So here's the last thing we wanted to show you today. If you watched a video from a couple days ago, we propagated some lavender from our lavender plants out front.
Yep, these are softwood cuttings. All the literature says take fall hardwood cuttings, but we're going against the grain on this, and you know what? We think it's paying off. If we get close up to these, I don't know if you can see that, but we can definitely see it. There's little roots starting to grow on all where those buds and the leaves used to be. There's little root nodules starting to grow off of those. Yep, and those were just cuttings we took. We stripped them and we cut them and we just placed them right directly in that water, and they're suspended with that twine, as you can see. And then we've got same cuttings, but same type of cuttings, but in soil. And so these are still looking good. They're not wilting. They're not looking too stressed out, which is amazing. So this is a big experiment for us, and we're super excited.
Yeah, they're loving it in here. Well, that's it for now. See, the greenhouse is looking pretty good, and we're really excited about the progress.
Yep, couldn't be happier. So until then, stay safe, stay happy. We're all in this together. Quarantine life. And yeah, we'll see you later.
We'll see you tomorrow, everybody.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.